Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll review two products which are so essential nowadays. Something that we cannot live without. We are in such kind of a situation which we never had before. We cannot go out, we cannot go for a morning walk. Even if we go and we see a friend, we cannot shake hands. If we talk, we have to maintain a certain distance, and that too with a mask. This kind of situation is something we have never experienced before, not even our previous generation or like anybody. No, it's so new and so different. It's so like tough, I would say. Cannot call our friends and families during a puja. We have to celebrate everything alone, like it's only me and my family, my husband, my children, me and me and me. Watching TV on phone, watching movies on phone, studying on phone, working on phone. So this kind of a life is something we couldn't even imagine, and we're living. So guys, we have lots of washing materials like detergent powder or liquid wash for our clothes. We have hand wash for our hands. We have shampoo. We have Vim Prill for our utensils. Now, have you guys ever thought that we should also have some kind of liquid detergent for our vegetables? Perhaps no. I think most of us are still washing our vegetables and maybe with Vim, Prill, or our shampoos, maximum baby shampoo, right? We are still using maybe liquid detergents kind of things, and guys, trust me, it's harmful. The moment you put this kind of liquid detergents into water and then you put your vegetables and fruits, they kind of start soaking, and it's really bad. So guys, I thought that I'm going to review two fruits and vegetables wash today, and I have chosen these two products. They are very good. I've used them. I thought I'll share my experience with you guys in case you guys are thinking about buy them, and perhaps you're in a dilemma whether to buy or not. Are they actually good or not? What would be the ingredients? How do I find out? Whom to ask? They're not very old in the market, quite new. So I thought I'll share my experience that might be helpful for you guys. Now let's talk about this one. This is called Veggie Clean. This is from Marico, and this is the bottle size. It's a 200 ml bottle. This is how the packaging is, and the back side you see 200 ml, and price this one is 99 rupees. Manufacturing date and use before date is also mentioned. It has a 2 years of shelf life, which is really good. Now it says that it's 100% vegetarian product and it's safe for vegetables and fruits. We have a list here of ingredients at the back side. It says it had something like um, sodium chloride, which is salt. It has water and some other names which are chemical names. So it's not chemical free. There are 4 5 names, and they are not simple names which we can understand. It's rather those chemically known names. So it has chemicals, and at the back side it also says that you have to soak your fruits and vegetables for 5 minutes, and after that you can take them out. You can wash them with clean running water and they're ready to use. So 5 minutes guys, and the work is done. This is the product. This is by Marico is the brand. And now the second one. This is the second one, which is a bigger bottle. This is called Neem Wash, and this one is from ITC. It says it's 100% natural. Okay, fruits and vegetables wash with neem and citrus fruit extracts. It does not have any added artificial dyes, bleach, or chlorine. Okay, that's good. It's more detailed, right? Now let's take a look at the back side. It tells you how to use, because it's a big bottle. It's 500 ml bottle, and this one is also 99 rupees guys. So that way this is actually cheaper. You get only 200 ml here on the other bottle, and this one is 500 ml with 99 rupees only. And again, you have the manufacturing date and use before date as well, but this one has a shelf life of only 1 year. Okay, but then it's gonna be over in couple of months guys, so don't worry about that. Yeah, made in India. That's another thing. Now guys, it says that you have to take 20 ml, which is half a cap, and then you add half a cap of this liquid into 1 liter of water, and you can actually increase the amount of liquid accordingly, right? That one is also the same. Sorry, I actually missed it, but the amount of liquid needed for the other one is also the same, right? So 20 ml for 1 liter of water, and then you soak your vegetables, keep it for 15 minutes. Not 5 minutes. The other one is 5 minutes. This is 15 minutes. And then you wash it with running water and they're ready to use, guys. Now, okay, yeah, ingredients list. It says it has citric acid, lactic acid, neem oil, and lemon juice. All are known ingredients: lemon juice, neem oil, citric acid, and lactic acid. Now these are the only 4 ingredients which this one have. So this one is quite lighter kind of a product with less chemicals in it. And another thing is, guys, this product is like, you have to keep your vegetables soaked in this for 15 minutes, and this one is only for 5 minutes. So if this product is cleaning your vegetables and fruits only for like only within 5 minutes, then it seems it's little kind of a harsh, contains more chemical. This take 15 minutes, so I prefer this seems to be a milder product. Now guys, this product is actually very good. I show you how the texture is. So this is how you open it. There you go, you're opening it, and it's exactly like water, no color. And it smells like neem or kind of vegetables. If you keep your vegetables for a long time outside and soaked in water, get kind of a smell. This is the smell. It's not good, I'm telling you guys. But this has kind of a lemony smell, and this is how it looks. Again, it's like water. It smells good. It smells like lemon juice, right? And I believe smell is not important, guys. I have used both the products. This product will give you some kind of foamy texture also once you mix it with water, but the other one, no. So as a customer, as a buyer, I would suggest, guys, go for ITC Neem Wash that has less chemicals. It is milder, and you get more product with the same price. So guys, that's all for today. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of all my upcoming videos. Now guys, we are kind of a situation that we never have been before. Some of you have actually told me, rather requested me to make videos on how to take good command over English, because most of you are trying for online jobs, online teaching, online coaching kind of things. Now guys, do let me know in the comment section like how many of you are interested in getting that kind of videos from me. I have taught English. I have actually certified from like big brands about how to communicate in English, voice, accent, your intonation, your grammar and everything. So guys, if you're looking for that kind of videos, if that's going to be helpful for you, do let me know. I'll definitely make videos on that, and I'll post in the same channel only. So guys, that's all for today. Stay safe, wear your masks if you're going out. Do use a good hand wash and hand sanitizer, vegetable wash, whatever wash is possible to keep yourself healthy and clean and hygienic. And thank you guys. Let's pray to God that we get a corona-free world very, very soon. With that note, I'll say ta-ta, bye-bye today. Take care.